this guy today is celebrating his second birthday, so I'm taking him to the kinyozi. He has some breakout upper. I think he doesn't take the regular milk. He has a bit of a breakout. Yeah, it's your birthday. Are you excited? Yeah, so I'm taking him to the barber shop to have his hair cut. And then, yeah, we are coming back to do some decor as well as cooking. Yeah, say happy birthday. Say thank you. Toyolana balloon, look at me. Say hi. Say hi. Give me the balloon. Give me the balloon. Give me the balloon.
Keeping it. Mommy's keeping it.
This is the look after the haircut. It looks so cute. Yeah, then this trick of carrying them in the trolley in the supermarket at least tames them. It really tames them. Yeah, so we are back home. Yeah, these are some of the items we've bought for the decor from the River Road. They're very cheap. Yeah, then there is some cooking going on. Yeah, live activities. Abu, put the balloon down so that we see what is written on the hoodie.
Give me this. Look at mommy now. Give me this.
So action, yeah, we are doing the cooking and the decor at the same time. This amazing lady here is called Nelly. She's come to assist us with the decorations. Then we have this banner. The young man who is talking to Antonio is called Dixon. He's the one who has branded the banner and the hoodie for Antonio and his brothers. He makes very good quality items, all branded. I'll share his contact. You can contact him for branding purposes. Then here we are live in the kitchen cooking. Yeah, this is my cousin. She's called Kundi. She makes the best chapati. One of these days I'll do a vlog on making chapatis. Yeah, she makes those very nice fluffy chapatis. Yeah, then Nelly is ongoing here with the decorations. So she has this small machine. It's electric for blowing up balloons. She did this job in in a blink of time. She was done. I went to the bedroom to do something, to respond to some inquiries. And on coming back, it was all done. Even I didn't get time to record when she was wrapping, or when she was connecting the balloons together to form this arc that I'm going to show here shortly. Yeah, but Antonio wanted to assist. Look at the arc I'm talking about. Nowadays I find balloon deco arc very, very good. So our theme was a Curious George. So for Curious George, we have yellow mainly as the color. Then we have the green, we have a bit of blue. It's basically a multicolored theme. Antonio really loves our Curious George, and we had to do this for him. The balloons could not stick on the wall. So finally, this is the meal. We had pilau, we had roasted potatoes, we had chapatis, we had carrots, pineapple salad, we had a beef stew, we had chicken. Yeah, so simple meals, but we really, really enjoyed. Yeah, then there is a guacamole salad, a bit of fruits. On this party, I just invited my close family members, my aunts, brothers, and cousins. Yeah, next year I hope we will do a big party and invite as many of our friends. Yeah, they are really enjoying the meals. The kids were very, very excited and very happy. I can see men, they are chilling. Then the climax, yeah, we had the cake and the cookies, cupcakes, all popsicles, cakesicles, all themed Curious George. Yeah, you can see the kids were very excited. We really enjoyed this kind of setup. Just makes your birthday party like really pop and leaves people with great memories. Like, I'm sure Antonio will not forget this. Same as the kids who attended, they had lots and lots of goodies and treats. They really enjoyed. So here is my cousin and my aunt helping me set up. We had a very nice display. By the way, all these are from Beldina's Delicacies, my bakery. So guys, if you're doing such a party, we are here for you to make your party pop. Yeah, you can see the birthday boy is very happy. Now we are jumping into the action, cutting the cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Joss, you can't hear.
How old are you now? How old are you now? I saw a monkey. I saw a monkey.
Was it you, what?
No. Was it you? Happy birthday, dear Anto. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anto. May you have many, many more birthdays.
The best is to grow at God's and God's care and protection. Amen.
Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday.
Yes, Mama.
Yes, happy birthday, baby Anton.
Thank you.
Son Nolan, who can introduce himself. Mine is to wish Anton all the best. Happy birthday, baby boy. May you grow under God's protection, favor, and blessings.
Good evening everyone.
Good evening.
Kwa majina vile mnajua naitwa Francis Muto. Ni bibi yangu. Leo tunafurahia kuja hapa for the first time. Na tunashukuru pia. Alafu pia tunataka wish Anto happy birthday. Tutaendelea kumwombea. Kama kuna mtoto tutampatiwa namba ndio tupatiane.
Ya mama.
Siku hizi ni digital.
Ya mama.
Anthony is the son. And on behalf of watu wangu, we sent a
On behalf of watu
wangu, tutakuja next time tutakuja hapa.
Next time
Yeah, so that is it. We really enjoyed. Here are some photos. Yeah, cutting and sharing the cake. Thanks to all my family members who made this such a success. Thank you for watching.